to set the records straight. Nagkaroon ba talaga kayo ng relasyon ni Tom?
He actually Tom messaged me and he clarified po with me the way that Christy Fermin was doing her blind item. Pati ako, I would say that was definitely about me.
Ba't hindi mo siya i-text ngayon? Text mo si Miss Carla, tanungin mo na siya.
Hola mga ka-lurks! And welcome sa pinakabagong pagpipiestahan ng mga marites dyan dito sa YouTube. Ito ang ka-lurks! Tasnon! At ako po si ka-lurker Bugay. Kasama siyempre ang ating kapwa ka-lurker, ang nawawalang kapatid ni Ann at Jasmine. Walang iba kundi ang gaya-gaya na si Pipita Herpes.
Hello Bugay at mga ka-lurkers natin dyan. Anong gaya-gaya?
Eh paano? Uminit yung ulo ko agad yung pagkakita ko sa pagdating mo kanina din sa studio. Sabi ko, magmamaong na ako na outfit. Tapos bigla pagdating niya, nakamaong din siya. Kaya guys, para hindi kami magkaparehas, para hindi kayo magulan kung sino sa amin mas maganda ganon, magpapalit na ako agad-agad sa inyo ng outfit. Okay?
O sige, okay lang.
Tulungan mo na lang ako.
Okay.
Pinahirapan mo.
Ikaw na mag-adjust. Kasi gusto ko talaga magbaong today eh.
Ayan. Ganon! May bago ako agad-agad. Ang lumabas. Ayan, ayan. Kita nyo. Animalistic.
Oh,
diba?
may ganyan.
Ganon.
Ako nga din, magpapalit na rin.
Ba't magpapalit mo na?
Parehas tayo.
Oo, ano magpapalit mo dyan? Nakakaloka naman kung si Pipita. Sabihin, ba't ganyan itsura ng ano mo?
Ayan!
Grabe ka!
Kasi
Nakakainis ka!
dapat pares tayo ng outfit.
First day natin, parang gusto kong mag-walk out agad-agad. Ayan ko na nga.
Siyempre, pasabog ang outfit natin kasi today pasabog ang mga revelation ng ating guest ngayon.
Totoo ba yan, Pipita?
Oo, pero huwag niyo munang i-fast forward ang video dahil may mga blind item muna tayo na ichichika sa atin ng
Ibong Ano ka kaya sinabi ng ibong tiririt natin? Pwede ba? Ano mo sa akin? Ibulong mo? Ay, nakakakulit na yan. Alam mo talaga. Ayan, ang sabi ni ibong tiririt.
Ano sabi niya?
Wala ka daw pakialam. Sabi niya.
Bad luck ha?
Hindi, dahil sinabi niya at seryoso siya sa kanya sinabi sa akin. Totoo nga kaya ito, guys. Makinig kayo mabuti sinabi sa akin ni Ibong Tirolita, ha? Isang actress, vlogger, nakatsuktsakan daw ng isang yayamaning atleta nang magkita ang dalawa sa US of A, America.
Ka-lurks!
Tapos, ano pa nangyari? Oo, sabi ni Ibong Tirilit, carry lang naman daw kung single sila. Kaso lang, bakit kaso? Totoo! Ang sakit sa buhanga. Kaso, alam daw ng buong universe na may asawa si athlete.
Ka-lurks!
Galing saan ka ng mga artista itong si girl at matagal na raw silang magkakilala ni athlete na super duper sikat. Tama ba? Baka may tanong ka sa kanya, ikaw na magtanong.
Eto na nga, sino nga ba si actress at saka si athlete?
Ibulong mo sa akin bago ko sabihin. Ay, grabe naman! Ito na nga siya, Pipita. May pangalawang blind item tayo. Akala sasabihin na namin kung sino yung binabanggit namin. Sorry. Wag muna. Kayo nang bahala dyan sa ating comment section kung sino sa tingin nyo yung sinasabi namin, di ba? Ikaw, feeling mo sino ba? Ibulong mo sa kanya. Bobo.
Ay, ako mo Ako mo sa kanya?
Hindi ko alam ano sinabi ko.
Siya may alam eh. Sorry mo muna sa akin.
Ikaw sa kanya, tanungin mo. Sino ba? Ano sagot niya?
Wala na akong pakialam.
Well, kami pong bahala sa inyo. Mag-message na lang tayo sa ating di ba, mas private message.
Oo, PM nyo kami.
For the meantime, ay may pangalawang blind item po, syempre si Ibong Adarna. Pero, mamaya na po muna yan dahil heto na po, oh my gosh! Eto na po ang inaabangan po ninyo na loka ang buong nation na lumabas ang balita na hiwalay ng araw ng si Binibining Carla Abellana at with Tom Rodriguez. 3 months matapos ang kanilang kasal na pinag-usapan ng lahat. Sabi ko, sinabi.
At eto pa, no comment pa rin sila until now, di ba?
Yes, agree ako dyan. No comment pa rin sila. Hindi sila bibigyan talaga ng statement lang kung talaga nangyari, di ba? Kaya walang confirmation. Kung sila ba talaga naghiwalay man, o kaya away lang, o kaya trip lang nila talaga mag-unfollow sa isa't isa, di ba? Basta last natin napansin, iyon nag-I love you. Nabasa niyo po ba yun doon sa post ni Miss Carla? Nag-I love you doon si Tom, di ba?
Oo, nakita ko nga sa Instagram yun, pero hindi hinart ni Miss Carla.
Ah, totoo ba?
Eto na nga, di ba ka-work mo si Miss Carla sa Small Family?
Yes! Kami ni Miss Carla, Kuya Ryan, Silio, ganyan. Si Miss Carla, napakabait niya. Diba? Ano
Okay.
naman yan?
Ba't hindi mo siya i-text ngayon? Text mo si Miss Carla, tanungin mo na siya.
Ba't pinakialam mo itong cellphone ko naman, pipita naman, i-text ko talaga.
Oo,
Ano
oh,
yan?
friends naman kayo, di ba?
O sige, Miss Carla, if you're watching right now, I'll be texting you.
Ay, magalaray!
Miss talaga, sure, I'll be texting you. Ay, i-text ko na siya. Ay,
Okay, okay. Text mo na ha.
Tatanungin ko
Ano ba itatanong mo sa kanya?
kailan birthday niya? Ano ba yan? Tulad sabi, text ko tapos,
Itanong mo sa kanya kung ano nga ba talaga yung totoo.
pwede, oo. Yan.
Diba? O ito na, habang tinitext ni Buhay si Carla, ipapakilala na namin sa inyo ang ating guest. Wala po siyang connect kay Tom at Carla. Siya ang unang tinurong dahilan.
Ha?
Oo, wala pa.
Text ko siya.
Sa hiwalayan daw nila Tom at Carla.
Totoo ba yan?
Oo, at ang chika pa nga, napuntis na.
Napuntis!
Mabilis naman niya itong dininay nung lumabas yung issue. Pero curious kami ni Bubay, ano nga ba ang dahilan kung bakit nadawit ang kanyang pangalan?
Grabe.
Sino ba siya sa buhay ni na Carla at Tom?
Ay, wala ka daw pakialam. Hindi ka din na-expect nilang magre-react dyan, pero ikaw nag-react. Ayan, na-send ko na to.
Send mo na, send mo na.
Reply siya na kung ang totoong Kelly Day, o di ba Kelly Day, pangalan pa rin ang apelido, alam mo na makakasama natin today, di ba? Kasi Day, ang apelido niya.
Galing mo talaga.
Ay, syempre naman makikilala natin siya today dito po sa Colors Exclusive! Filipina-British model, singer and actress. Sasagutin ngayon ang mga matitinding tanong sa Kalurks, Kelly Day. And hello, Miss Kelly! Welcome to Kalurks!
Thank you for having me.
Hi, thank you very much for being with us today. Can you say hi to all our Kalurks out there?
Hello, mga kalurks. This is Kelly Day.
Everybody's asking, ano nga ba ang ginawa mo sa UK? Ikaw daw ba, nagpa-ultrasound ba talaga doon?
No, I didn't have an ultrasound. I went there for the funeral of my lola, who is my dad's side po. So, taga UK po kasi yung dad ko. So, she passed away actually on my birthday at 1:30 in the morning. Yes, and then my dad, kasi I was celebrating my birthday with my friends. So, my dad didn't tell me about the passing for like 2 days. And then eventually he told me,
Clear na hindi po buntis si Kelly, that you're not pregnant.
yes,
Perhaps kami dalawa.
actually nagulat din ako na buntis pala ako.
Ang ganda mong buntis, ha?
Tapos chinek ko, butis na ba ako? Ganun, no? Iba talaga din may insight sa ating mga kalurks dyan. Di ba? Minsan masyang mapaghusga. Agad-agad sila nagde-decide na mga hindi pa nangyayari sa atin. Di ba?
Makalurks at mga fortune teller.
Naku, ay ito na. Miss Kelly, condolence be ha? Pero
Condolence.
eto, kumusta naman ang iyong bakasyon sa UK? How was it?
When I was planning to go to the UK, medyo na-stress ako sa mga nangyayari dito sa Philippines. It's like personal things or family things or work things. And I was excited to go to the UK and really just, I guess, escape from everything for a bit. So yung plano ko talaga when I was in the UK was to turn off my social media, everything. Kasi that gives me anxiety.
Relax.
Instagram and everything. I get general anxiety from that. So, so yeah, I turned off my phone and stuff. I wasn't really active, and it was funny because when the controversy happened, my phone was blowing up, and I was really confused because no one's been contacting.
Ay, speaking of phone, ako, may nag-text na, may nag-reply na. Saglit lang, Miss Kelly.
Si Carla na ba yan? Si Carla?
Ay, hindi. Si Kuya RJ, ni Mr. Alan K. May racket daw tayo iba. Hindi si Miss Carla.
Ay, sorry. Kala ko si
Sorry.
Carla na.
Sorry, Miss
Kala
Kelly.
ko mag-face-to-face na sila ni Miss Kelly.
Pasensya na, Kelly. Sobrang na-excite lang kami, syempre. Anyway, going back. Bago ka mag-off ng iyong social media account, inabasa ko pa ako, nakahabol ko pa yun na nag-post ka agad ng statement sa iyong IG, sa iyong IG story. Tama ba? Pero
Yes.
wala kang binanggit na pangalan.
Yeah, gusto ko gawin yung blind item.
Lalabanan mo pa yung show namin, ha? Sana sabi mo lang sinabi agad para kami blind item.
Nagpa-blind item din. To set the record straight.
Mhm.
Nagkaroon ba talaga kayo ng relasyon ni Tom?
Never.
Hindi daw pipita.
Okay, so clear na clear po mga ka-lurks na si Miss Kelly and Tom ay wala pong relasyon.
Yes. Pero may follow-up question sa'yo si Pipita.
Paano mo nalaman na iniintriga ka ng mga tao na ikaw ang dahilan ng, of course, breakup nila at ano ang reaction mo? Siyempre, di ba, nakakagulat.
Oo, tama.
Yeah, it was really weird. So ito nangyari that day. In the morning, I was having breakfast with my dad. Tapos nakita ko yung article about Tom and Carla that they were having issues. So I actually talked to my dad about it kasi alam niya that time that I went to the wedding and nagstay ako sa Batangas for like 1 night or 2 nights yata. 1 night pala. So I told him, I was like, remember when I went to that wedding? Tas blah, blah, blah. Then sabi ko, I think parang nag-break daw sila. And this was on the article. But that time I was not thrown into the issue. So tapos lunchtime naman, I was having lunch with my dad. And then I saw my phone was blowing up na. So chinek ko. Then sabi ko, oh my God, Dad, you know that story I was telling you kanina? Apparently I'm part of it. So he doesn't speak Tagalog. Tas dinner naman.
Ano, meron siya mula sa sa
24 hours
breakfast, sa lunch, sa dinner. Pero what do you think? Bakit nadama yung pangalan mo doon? Ba't nakaladkad? Nagka-work ba kayo ni Tom Rodriguez ever?
We just worked So The World Between Us, which was, we taped in 2021 from siguro May to October. Kasi to be honest, and like Tom is super mabait and everything, but I wasn't really that close with him compared to the other co-actors of mine that became really close to him. I guess because I didn't have many scenes with him also. So I didn't know where that came from. And then I was watching the viral video of Christy Fermin and when she talked about the blind item. And so, okay, this is what happened kasi. So when I knew that...
This is what happened.
We will listen very carefully.
So when I saw that I was part of the issue, I wanted to make a statement kaagad kasi I saw the comments lang. Then I saw that there was like a TikTok video. And hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-TikTok because actually it's very addictive. So I tried to stay away from it. And I didn't know how to find this viral video. And then one of my friends sent it to me, like, ito pala. So before I made my statement, sabi ko, okay, I need to watch the video to see why people are saying this. So I watched the video and then sabi ko, you know what? I can't actually blame the people for blaming me. Kasi the way that Christy Fermin was doing her blind item, pati ako, I would say that was definitely about me. There's no other person that has the description in the industry na parang last name, yung apelido is Sunday, Monday, ganun. Actually, about me pala. Kasi I was gonna say to make my statement before na parang to the people that were bashing me, like, don't, it's not true, like, stop speculating. Pero sa totoo naman, the blind item of Christy Fermin was directed at me. And I think later on, after I released my statement, in her next episode, she parang played it off as if it wasn't about me. And then she tried to put like, oh, paano kung si Rian Ramos nagbuntis? And I was just like, she tried to make it, her and her co-actor or her co-host pala were, I guess the way that I interpreted their reaction to my statement was, wow, Kelly thinks it's about her. Parang they were laughing that I was the one that put my own name in the blind item. But by that time, I was already like all over social media and articles that it was me. So yeah, I
Actually.
say something, to be honest. I wanted to directly ask Christy because she was saying that she had
Mhm.
5 sources that confirmed that I was a third wheel or something.
Mhm.
And so I don't know if she's to blame, or I don't know if the sources are to blame, or kung sino nag-start ng rumor, but it really has nothing to do with me. And I had this confirmed now with reliable sources that are close to Tom and Carla, that it has nothing to do with me and it's all speculation. So yun talaga ang
Correct.
totoo.
Yun
From
talaga ang
reliable-
totoo, di ba? Oo. At yun na nga, di ba, I was about to ask kung naging close ba kayo ever kasi ni Tom, pero nasabi mo na nga kanina, nagkasama ko sa teleserye, pero never kayo naging ganun ka-close, di ba?
Yeah.
So yun, eto na lang. Sa tingin mo, kaya siguro ikaw pinatamaan, tingin mo dahil magkatunog yung pangalan ni Tom Rodriguez at saka ni Tommy Esguerra. What do you think?
That's actually so funny. I would like to say that's the reason, but I'm sure it's not. The way that I see it, the way that I'm thinking is siguro because I went to the UK and then hindi ako naging active sa social media,
Mhm.
there was maybe an assumption that I was pregnant kasi alam ko that that's
Mhm.
a thing that happens sometimes when
Mhm.
an artista gets pregnant, then they go abroad to have their child, and then maybe people were trying to link that with the Tom and Carla issue, so maybe that was an assumption lang. That's the only thing I can think of kasi there's really no other reason why I would be part of that issue.
That's what they call in Tagalog, pinagtagpi-tagping kwento.
Tama.
Pinagtagpi kwento.
Yeah.
Nahirapan pa siya. sorry.
Susie, like si Tom, hindi kayo masyadong close. How about Carla
I just met Carla sa wedding. So
sa wedding?
yes. So what happened was before the wedding, we were all invited as the cast to attend. So yun lang, we all went to support and be there. And then I met Carla there. So, and that's the only time that I met her.
Ay, wait lang po. Ang text. May nag-text.
Si Carla na ba yan?
Ay, hindi. Yung kapatid ko.
Ang sabi?
Yung tuition fee daw niya.
Sorry Kelly. Kasi
Sorry, Miss
hindi
Kelly,
namin
no?
si Miss Carla mag-reply sa kanya.
Oo, baka kasi may sagot din siya. Pero yun na nga, nakita namin at syempre narinig namin straight mula sa iyo, mula sa iyong mga bibig, di ba? Nilinaw mo ng sarili mo about the issue. But, di ba, alam naman natin na until now talaga, marami pa rin talaga nagbabash sa iyo, bebe.
Oo,
Eto,
madaming bashers, no?
Oo, hindi ko alam kung tatanungin ko para sa iyo or hindi na. Pero sige na nga, for the sake of all our viewers dyan, kamarites natin, naaapektuhan ka ba sa mga bashers mo, sa mga nagsasabi ng kung ano-ano towards you?
Nung first po, before I saw the video of Christy, I was a bit angry at the comments I was getting kasi I thought it was coming from nowhere. Pero nung nakita ko yung video of Christy Fermin, I understood naman why the people were linking me. I wouldn't say that it's still right to bash anyone online. I don't believe in hate on social media, but I guess I could maybe give an understanding to the people that were assuming it's me. Kasi after 2 days, my mom called me and she asked me if I was pregnant because she saw everything online, and she was actually like, I'll support you. You don't have to hide it from me." I was like, "Ma, I'm not pregnant." And she was like, okay. So I talked to her about it, and that was the time that because before, anytime I get bashed before, I tell her to not to attend to the bashers, just to let it go. But she really wanted to speak up. After talking to me, she wanted to defend me. And syempre bilang mother, you want to
Yes.
be there for your daughter. So I allowed her to do what she felt she wanted to do to protect me. So
Pero at least, di ba, nakita mo talaga how supportive yung family mo
Yeah.
towards you kahit anong mga issues dumarating, di ba? Kami naman ni Pipita, meron naman kaming advice sa'yo. Siguro you go back to school and take another, Bachelor of Arts in Deadma. Like,
Yeah, oo.
AB Deadma.
Yeah,
Pero
you know-
Miss Kelly, do you plan to reach out kay Carla or kay Tom? Or wag na lang?
actually,
Art of Deadma na lang?
I plan to do that. So after I released my statement, sabi ko, sige, yun na yun. That's my truth naman. And I don't know any more or any less than about the true story. So I waited na lang for like a week. And eventually, actually, Tom messaged me. And he clarified po with me that there was nothing to do with me. So that's one of the sources that I had that made me sure that I'm not involved, and it was all speculation. I'm just curious, but then up till now, I want to ask Christy who the sources are and where this is
Oo,
from.
ayun na.
Oo.
Kung saan galing talaga yun, di ba? Para magsimula yung ganung issue.
Diba?
Yes, so
I don't
narinig
know.
niyo yan.
Ay,
mga-
saglit lang. May
may
nag-text
text.
ulit.
May
Nakapag-text
text.
na Miss Kelly. Somebody texted me.
Ay, si Carla na ba yan?
Hindi, sorry. It's my father. He's asking if I'm wearing his dress.
Ha? Father is like us?
Sorry, Miss Kelly.
So, naku, Miss
Okay
Kelly,
lang.
narinig niyo yun mga ka-lurks. Sana naman matapos ng intrigang ito. Kaya, ang tanong ko lang.
May tanong ka sa kanya ulit.
Oo, di tayo maubusan ng tanong kay
Para
Kelly.
magkaalaman na talaga.
Yes, para magkaalaman na.
Okay.
May jowa ka ba ngayon? Ha? May jowa ka ba ngayon? Are you in love?
So,
Nag-isip siya. Mukhang 10 sila.
I would say, to be honest, that I do have like some sort of love life going on, but it's not, it's chill, it's good vibes, and hindi naman po showbiz related. I actually haven't been in a showbiz relationship since, since Tommy, I think.
And while you are answering, somebody's, chatting us and asking, sino daw pwede daw magbigay ng clue tong out of showbiz na ito?
Yes, yung nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon. May clue ba?
What's
Kasi
that?
na-showbiz siya eh.
Yun na
Oh, no,
showbiz.
no. You want me to say the name or something?
Go!
I'm asking.
The name, the profession, and the
And
address.
don't forget little initial.
Yes! And the
Ano, gawin natin blind item.
Blind item na rin ka.
No, I mean, I want to keep that private, I guess.
Correct. We
But,
respect that. We respect that.
Yeah.
Is he a Filipino or foreigner or half Filipino, half English like that?
Parang, medyo mix siya, but mostly Filipino.
Mostly Filipino. Siguro half Ilocano, tsaka half siya.
Tugigaraw.
Pero sige, dahil itong mga ito, babanggitin ko naman pangalan. Ano Tugigaraw? Nagulat din siya mismo sa taga-Tugigaraw, bebe. O, ayan nga. Sige, dahil private itong non-showbiz mo, balikan natin showbiz na magiging part ng life mo.
Yes.
Baka pwede naman ito ipasok. Siyempre, nabanggit mo na kanina na naging ex-boyfriend mo si Tommy Esguerra at madami din siyempre nakakalam, naging ex mo din daw pala si Inigo Pascual.
Yes.
Yes!
Pero yeah.
Ayun, sige, dahil dyan, merong katanungan si Pipita sa'yo na kailangan mong sagutin ng mabilisan. Balikan lang natin, walang MM lang.
Oo, sasagutin mo lang to ng mabilisan, okay?
Okay.
Sino sa kanila ang mas sweet?
Inigo.
3, 4.
Inigo! Inigo ako sa'yo. Next question, sino sa kanila ang mas gwapo?
Ay!
Answer that. Oh my God.
Okay, gusto mo
Pare,
kasi.
oo, diba? Pag wala
Oo.
kang kabigyan.
Okay,
Eh,
kanino ka mas nasaktan?
Inigo.
Dahil
Oh.
sa'yo.
Aray ko. Last question, sino ang mas namimiss mo?
Oh. Okay, sabihin ko si Inigo kasi we're still friends, but hindi kami nagkita for a while kasi nasa States siya. Kaya me and Tommy kasi after kami nag-break, we never talked to each other or saw each other again. So, yun, parang, yeah, we're not part of each other's lives talaga. So,
Pero we're so happy to hear na close pa rin ikaw dun sa naging ex mo si Inigo. Kasi may iba, di ba, after breakup, as if wala na nangyari, wala na nang share na magandang mga memories together. Pero ikaw with Inigo, okay pa din kayo. Kaya magandang balita yan.
Parang nakaka-relate ka doon sa sinabi. Parang experience mo yun. Sinabi
I'm
mo sa
talking
iba.
about my experience. Sorry. Mali yan. Mali yan sa host. Mali na dapat nilalagay yung sarili niya dun sa kwento. Sorry guys, sa manonood dyan. Sorry. Forget that. Let's go back to the main topic.
Oo.
Sige na, ito na, Miss Kelly. Bukod sa napakakulay mong love life na talaga ng mga pinagpipiestahan lately naman talaga, passionate ka rin. You're very passionate, siyempre, sa iyong advocacy pagdating sa alopecia awareness. Kasi ikaw mismo, di ba, nabalitaan namin na na-diagnose mismo ng alopecia, tama ba?
Yes po, yeah.
Paano mo nalaman na meron kang alopecia, Be?
Noong time na, that was October 2018. So, nasa Tagalog class ako. And then I was like, nahirapan ako sa lesson. So, I was like this. Tapos sabi, ay sorry, nagmura ako.
Okay lang, okay.
Sorry.
I-blip na lang namin yan.
Oo. O kaya hindi namin ibiblip para mas pag-usapan tayo.
Okay, ayun, so, ganito ako. Tapos na-feel ko as it's super smooth. So, pumunta ako sa CR, tapos parang back selfie ako ganito. Then, nakita ko parang may bald spot na ganitong, kalaki. Yeah. Then I was like, that's really weird. And then, I came out of the bathroom, tapos nandun yung Tagalog teacher. And we're super close din. She's like a mentor in my life also. And I just started crying. Sabi ko, I don't know what happened. So after a few months, kasi nasa likod siya. So I didn't really see it anymore. Then after a few months, I asked someone to check. Like, can you check how it is? And sabi ng pinsan ko, oh my God, it's huge.
It's getting bigger. Sinasabi nga nila, hair is a woman's crown, di ba? Parang ano natin yan, glory natin yan. So, anong naramdaman mo nung nalaman mo, of course, syempre, aside from nalungkot ka, may gumulo pa ba sa isipan mo nalaman mo meron kang alopecia?
I was really scared because it just kept getting bigger, and actually there were 2 more like spots that formed, and I was I guess preparing for the moment if ever na I'll lose all of my hair. So at that time I was starting, I guess my career was picking up sa GMA. So I was doing a lot of guestings and dancing and stuff like that. And it was very difficult for me to cover it. So I was, if I have a hairstylist or something, I actually tried to hide it pa. And then I remember may mga artista na parang dumadaan in the dressing room, and I would like cover it. And I was so shy about it that time kasi hindi ako naging public about it that time. I guess at the age I was 22 years old, you don't think that you're gonna have a health problem, and it happened. And but I realized when I became public about it, and I joined Alopecia Philippines organization, and I met a lot of people and talked to a lot of people that experienced alopecia. Then I became very okay with it. I would still try to hide it every day. Just because, if you're walking around like that and people might be asking you, blah, 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 and you get bothered. So I would just put a hat on if I felt like it or something. But yeah, when it comes to talking about it, and dami nag-message sa akin that time that they're suffering from alopecia and how do I deal with it. And for me, it was becoming public about it that really for me. Kaya the awareness is so important kasi I guess when you have something like that, your fear is that people don't understand it. So you have to share the understanding with others. And the fear will go away. So that was my experience.
Maraming salamat for that knowledge talaga. They're learning talaga, di ba? Ang dami natututo sa atin. I'm sure yung magko-comment dyan, mag-thank you sa iyo talaga. Pero
alam mo, you can join Binibining Pilipinas because you talk fluently, no?
Yeah.
Tapos actually,
and we are learning a lot.
Overtime na kami.
Naku, kahit overtime tayo, kita, we're still happy kasi talagang binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, di ba, the opportunity to talk to her, mag-interview at malaman yung side niya, di ba? Sana ikaw ay nag-enjoy din sa mga chika namin sa iyo, Miss Kelly.
Actually, I want to thank you for the opportunity to speak out about the things. Guys, I'm sorry kasi alam ko, ito yung first episode ng comedy show niyo. Pero yung mga,
yes!
usapan natin
Respect
medyo...
na namin, iiyak eh. Joke lang.
But I'm very thankful, like especially to talk about the alopecia. That's so very important to me to spread the awareness. So I'm grateful ako sa inyo for giving me the opportunity and making it fun for people to watch also. So salamat.
Yay! Miss Kelly, we are so privileged to have you today. Kaya naman mga ka-lurks dyan na nakatutukay na I love you sa iyo, Miss Kelly, mga minamahal natin yung mga kapuso. Once again, the ever beautiful and the very strong woman, Miss Kelly Day! Miss Kelly!
Thank you.
We love you.
Ano, Bubay? Nag-reply na ba si Carla?
Hindi nga, kahit anong text ko, ang nag-reply sa akin yung kaibigan ni Marites. Si Manilyn.
Ang sakit siya. Kung reply ni Black mo.
Naka-block na ata. Kung nireplyan mo, naka-block. Sa'yo to, di ba? Naku, respect na lang po natin hindi siya nag-reply, pero malay mo one of these days makasama natin siya. Pero sana, di ba, hindi totoo talaga, di ba, nahiwalay sila kasi sobrang bagay sila, di ba?
Correct!
Kaya tagal ng relationship, di ba, sayang naman yun.
Kaya abangan na lang natin, malay mo, sa next episode, di ba? Mag-guest sa akin si Carla at si Papa Tom!
Why not? Why not? We are looking forward, di ba? Pero ito, simula kanina talaga sa start natin, as promised, aba, meron kaming second blind item for all of you na ichichika sa atin ng Ibong TV! Ayun, si Ibong TV talaga naman buhay pa rin talaga siya, di ba?
Oo. So, Ibong Tiririt, anong chika?
Ano? Sa show ng isang aktor sa salita, walang kakeme-keme lang itong nilalandi ang kanyang co-star na sexy actress at TikTokeris. Tapos, habang nasa set nila ang non-showbiz jowa ni aktor. Kasi nandun sa set din yung non-showbiz jowa lang.
Ka-lurks!
Pero kahit na ilang si sexy actress, aminado siya na kinilig siya.
Nabet siya ng aktor kahit nung minipis na ang buhok ni aktor. Grabe ka naman! Ibong Tiririt!
Dinadagdagan niya yung chika, pero dinadagdagan na.
Pero sabi niya, yummy pa rin siya.
Dami pa rin naman
So,
talaga
may
siya.
minipis, no?
Oo, di ba? Pero kung ikaw si sexy star na kasama ko kasi ito sa wish ko lang last time eh.
Ay, kasama ko siya sa TikTok ko.
Ay!
Nagsama kami dalawa sa TikTok ko. Follow niyo ako, Pipita Curtis. Hanapin
Meron
niyo
din kami, nakakasama sa TikTok. Okay. Ayun nga, kung ikaw yung sexy star, na talaga napagaling, galing umiyak ka, nung sinabing cute, tumulo agad yung luha, hindi ko lang paano nagawa yun. Ikaw ba papatulang mo din ba itong napakagaling na artista ko na napakagwapo din?
Oo naman, no. Siyempre, ako ba arte? Siya, tanongin mo kung mapatulan ako.
Siyempre hindi. Oo, ayun.
Choosy mo ba ako, di ba? Ang galing magpakilig ni aktor. Titig pa lang, ano daw? Matutunaw ka talaga.
Kahit sa may scena sa pelikula, di ba yung
Oo.
titingin pa lang ganyan? Sinabi ko na naman, sorry.
At kapag umiyak siya, mas lalo siyang sumesera.
Grabe! Nakasama mo rin pala sa movie yan.
Ay, oo! Nandun ako sa likod niya. Sa korte. Kasama ko siya.
Ay! Nakaibong tiniri! Bakit ganun pa nagsasalita si Pipi nagsasalita ka din?
Ako dito. Pero alam mo siya, boses.
Hindi alam yung character.
Ano kasi ito, 2-in-1?
Gumagano.
Ang hirap maging Arno Flavio. Arn. Kompleto.
Sino ba yan ibong tinirit? Galit siya. So that's it for our first episode. Ang saya ng first episode. Grabe. Iyon, huwag daw niyo po kakalimutan mag-subscribe po dito sa Yulol, guys, sa Yulol. Once again, I'm your Ate Bupay, kasama siyempre si
Pipina Curtis at Ibong Tiririt.
Oo, ang kanyang kambalat. Kami ang inyong kachika dito sa
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the